This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Kimi Dornan. Town home in Magruder Estates. 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Spacious living room with dining area. Family room with wood-burning fireplace. Primary bedroom with walk-in closet and full bath. Second floor laundry. Backyard with privacy fence and storage closet. New carpet installed only 1 year ago. Located near Interstate 64, Peninsula Town Center, military bases, and NASA. Convenient to shopping and restaurants. For more information, review the details below or contact Kimi Dornan at 757-715-0280.